Hey guys, if you're listening to this, you probably just bought a Vitamix. Congratulations. Here's a tip that really helps out with cleaning your Vitamix. Just take 2 or 3 cups. I cover the blade with liquid and then 1 drop of dishwashing detergent. Place it on your machine. And I start off low, medium, and then run to high for about 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds, wherever you feel comfortable with. Turn it down, shut it off, then you're gonna rinse it out. Now here's where most people, all they do is they let it air dry from this point. I want you to let it drain for about 30 seconds. Take a towel, paper towel, microfiber towel, wipe out the inside. Really important to get that dry. If you don't, the water mixes with all the vitamins and minerals with all the stuff you're making, and as it dries, it oxidizes, leaves behind a really hardy calcium buildup. It looks white or cloudy. Then what I do is once a month, I put in about 3 cups of either diluted bleach, white vinegar, or baking soda in water, and I'll start low, medium, high. I'll run that for about 3 to 5 minutes, like a typical soup cycle, and then give it a nice drying, and rinsing in and drying when you're done with that. Last tip when it comes to cleaning, a lot of people don't know that this little baby pops right off. You can clean this both sides, and you can wipe out under here. I know people 10 to 12 years who have never had that thing off their machine. Yum. There you have it. Cleaning tips from blenddishes.com.